Here I have VODAFONE Smart Platinum 7, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to enter backup and reset, and here you have to select the last option, factory data reset, then tap on reset phone, then confirm it with your pattern, and then tap on erase everything. And after that your device will be restarted in a few minutes. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.